Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you new product that I got in. I got the Tailored Expressions blender brushes, and you get 10 brushes. They're all the same size, but they all have different color handles. So if you're someone who likes to have a particular brush for a particular color, this would be great because it's got the rainbow, and then you have two additional brushes with the gold handle and a silver handle. So you could save those for maybe a metallic ink like the deluxe is it Memento Deluxe, or the oh my god, my brain is just like, hold on, it's a gold glitz. I got it right here on my desk. The Delicatas. You can use it for even those type of inks, and keep the gold with the gold and the silver with the silver. Or use them for whatever. It doesn't matter. So initially, I got it with this, I guess you would call it like the organizing tray. The thing that actually holds the brushes in their place when you get it on all the pieces except for the top piece, because I'm trying to find it on there but it's not coming off. They all have protective film over them, so once you peel that off, it's time to put it together. Well, initially for this part of the video, when I first put it together, it wasn't fitting securely, and I realized later it's because once I had them in their positions, to get the top piece on, I should have squeezed the top piece so that way when the top one goes down on top, it will go all the way to where the plus is, the plus that's created from the two pieces. And then when you let it go, it kind of expands a little bit and locks in place. So I'm going to put all these in for the time being on this part of the video, and you'll see like at times it's a little wonky, like it's not secure. Well, it wasn't. But I do like the fact that it spins, and it looks really pretty. Now, of course, I'm showing you, like, this is one of the brushes that I got from Walmart. They don't have a pointy end, so they really don't work with these type of trays. And you can see I'm still kind of futzing with it because it's just not doing right. But even some of the other makeup brushes that I've bought, they work in this carry case. So if you have more than just this set of brushes, you can always get another display carrier holder and use it for your other brushes as well. And just to show you, I'm just grabbing one of my older brushes, the ones that I already had in my collection, and I'm putting on the Distress ink in the Twisted Citron, and I'm just blending it on. And these brushes, let me tell you, they are really, really great tools for your crafting, especially if you're card making. I mean, it's just, the regular blending tools are really nice for certain applications, but for really doing nice blends and seeing this really smooth out, these are life-changing in the fact that they just blend so beautifully. So if you have the particular life-changing brushes brand, that's fine, but what's life-changing about them is just your blending ability, because of these brushes, go up a notch for sure. Okay, now there is a cleaning tool that does, or you can get to go with this. I'm going to show you here in this video because I finally got the piece in on this particular purchase. So this is the cleaning tool. So it has a rough edge for you to be able to, clean your brushes off with, which it'll be interesting to play with. And then the part that sticks up, it sticks right on top. So then you have all of your pieces together. Your brushes are in the caddy, and then your cleaning tool is right in the middle. Now the rest of my stuff, and I have to say, I guess I've kind of I've known about Tailored Expressions, but I've just recently started seeing a lot of their items, and I am smitten and have been going back quite a few times. So on their website, they also have these deco foils, the stencil pal, and you get two of them in the package. And I like how it has the circles where you could put you put a ring on it and you can hang it up in your craft room. It would be a good way to store it. But this will be fun to use with our stencils. And then I also got some of the foam squares, the 3D foam squares, the small and the large. So those will be fun to use. Because sometimes you just want to grab something that's quick and you don't want to grab the big roll. So this works out. And then I'm trying to grab real quick my other stamps that started it all. When I saw on, I think it was the Stamp Junkies page on Facebook, someone had used these stamps with that die set. Well, I knew I was going to need to get the other ones too. So I got Friendship and I got the Christmas. I think Friendship was already there. Christmas is a new release. So I'm glad I got that. I'm going to put that over there. And then they also have a mini sentiment strips, the mini strips. So this one, I have one that's Harvest and then the one that's Christmas. And I love how one of them is like Happy Hanukkah, because I actually have some Jewish friends. So that would be really nice to be able to send someone a card. And then it also has a matching die set as well. And the best part with the die sets is the squares that they have on the side is how you line it up. So that way you get nice, even strips when it cuts out. Like the title, the words themselves are nice and even in your piece by lining up those squares. I didn't know that at first, but it still came out pretty good. Now this set, I saw on their channel, their YouTube channel, for Tailored Expression, they used this stamp set with the matching die, and they created some beautiful cards for Christmas. And I have a thing for snowflakes. Like, it's almost as bad as my stencil addiction, but every time Christmas comes around and everyone has more snowflake stamps and sentiment, like things that are coming out and they have snowflakes on it, it's like I gotta have it. I can't even explain to you the feeling I get when I see snowflakes. Like, they just make it winter, even though I really don't like snow, but I just love snowflakes on my cards. So with this particular purchase, they were having a freebie. I think it was, I forget how much you had to spend, but you got a free embossing folder. So I wanted to put a little piece in here, but you can see it's like falling snow. Embossing folder is really cute. And I just put the little envelope. They send you an envelope with a copy of your bill in it, and I think it's so cute. And they had the free gift, that little snowflake in there. And it's just a nice classy touch. I really like that. So I got that, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's all the items that I got in that collection. And I just really am excited. I'm excited to see how to use the different stamp sets. Oh, I'm showing you here that you have to kind of squeeze it in and press it down, so that way that piece will come off. Now it's on secure, so it's like it's not moving anywhere, but I just have to get that back into the bottom base, into the base part. But I really like this. I think I gotten another one from Simon Says Stamp, and I have my other brushes in it, and it's all right, but I really like the sturdiness of this one. So I would suggest it if you were needing a caddy for your blender brushes. I would definitely take a look at them, and I'll, like I said, have links down below. I just wanted to make sure everything was in. And then there's the little cleaning tool, and then we'll put this all in. And I just try to put them in somewhat of a rainbow order. I'm not very rainbow oriented, but these just look so pretty. I was like, okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get those in and put them in some sort of rainbow order. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to have close-ups of all the items, just showing you the blender brushes and the caddy and all the other items that I got recently. And make sure you check out the more section. I will definitely have links to tailored expressions for the items that I've recently got. And I'll make sure to link their YouTube channel, because I'm telling you, that Snowflake stamp they did, they were so cute, the stamps. I'm definitely gonna have to scrap lift. Yeah, because I loved it. I thought it was super cute. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick little haul video. I'm sharing, it's more than one together, but I put it to one video since it was all from Tailored Expressions. All right, you guys, thank you so much and have a great day.